This is my crayfish I'm adding to the beans, grinded beans, and this is my pepper that I will be using, just little. Then I added it to my beans, grinded beans, and also this is my shredded, not really shredded, I use a blender to, I didn't make it smooth, combination of pepper and onion to give it a different taste. Then also this is my curry. I love curry a lot, and this is my seasoning cube that I'll be using for today's moi moi. Yes, keep watching. Then I also added my vegetable oil little to give it a nice taste. Come on, keep watching. I'm using a foil paper to wrap my moi moi so that it can be easy for me. This is for my own. You can try using cans and other things you would prefer, but I prefer using foil paper for a quick one, because this just take me about 10 minutes and it's ready for me and my family. Thank you all for watching. Stay blessed and stay connected. Bye bye.